In this video, we have picked the best lawn rollers of 2025 based on different people's needs. Whether you have a small yard or a large property, need a lightweight roller for easy maneuvering, or want a heavy-duty option for deep soil compaction. AO. Good lawn roller can help smooth out uneven ground, press down new sod, and remove frost or mold damage. But not all rollers are the same. Some are manual push rollers designed for smaller spaces, while others are toe-behind models built for bigger lawns and faster results. To make your decision easier, we'll go over 5 of the best lawn rollers, explaining what each one offers and who it's best for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which lawn roller fits your needs. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Brinley PRC, best for small yards and easy handling. If you have a small or medium-sized lawn and need something easy too, use the Brinley Lawn Roller is a great choice. It has a 270-pound capacity when filled, which is enough weight to smooth out your lawn without being too hard to move. What makes this roller stand out is its push and tow combination. If you don't have a tractor or riding mower, you can push it manually. But if you want to cover more ground faster, you can also attach it to a lawnmower or ATV. This makes it perfect if you need something versatile for different jobs. When empty, it's lightweight and easy to store, so you won't struggle to move it when it's not in use. Plus, the rust-proof poly drum ensures it lasts for years. If you need a small, simple, and easy-to-use roller, this one is a great fit. Choose this if you have a small yard and need a light, easy-to-store roller that can be pushed or towed. At number 4, we have Agri-Fab, best for large yards and quick results. If you have a large yard or need to cover a lot of ground fast, the Agri-Fab is built for the job. With a 48-inch wide drum, it covers nearly twice the area of smaller rollers in a single pass, making it ideal for big lawns, parks, and sports fields. When filled with water, it weighs 550 pounds, which is heavy enough to compact soil, press seeds into the ground, and remove frost damage. But when empty, it weighs less than 60 pounds, making it easy to store and transport. Since this is a tow-behind roller, you'll need a riding mower or garden tractor to use it. If you're looking for a manual push roller, this isn't the best choice. But if you have a large property and want to get the job done quickly, this is an excellent option. Choose this if you have a large lawn and want a wide, heavy-duty roller that works fast. At number 3, Brinley PRT-36BH, best for maximum weight and heavy jobs. For those who need serious weight for compacting deep soil, the Brinley is one of the heaviest rollers available. With a 690-pound capacity, it's built to handle large yards, tough soil, and heavy-duty lawn work. At 36 inches wide, it balances good coverage with easy maneuverability, making it great for rolling out uneven ground, pressing down new sod, or smoothing sports fields. The rounded drum edges help prevent damage to your lawn, while the built-in scraper bar keeps dirt from sticking to the roller. Since this is a tow-behind roller, you'll need a tractor or lawnmower to pull it. If you need a manual push roller, this won't be a good fit. But if you have a large property and need to level out rough terrain, this is one of the most powerful options available. Choose this if you need a super heavy roller to compact soil, level a large yard, or prepare for planting. At number 2, VEVOR Lawn Roller, best for easy pushing and compact storage. If you're looking for a lightweight roller that's easy to push, the VEVOR Lawn Roller is a great option. It holds 13 gallons or 46 liters of water or sand, giving it enough weight to smooth your lawn without making it too hard to move. The U-shaped handle makes pushing and pulling comfortable, and the heavy-duty steel frame adds durability. One of its best features is the sealed plug, which ensures you won't lose the cap while filling or emptying it. Plus, the circular edge design keeps it from damaging your lawn while rolling. Because it's a manual push roller, it's best for small yards or garden beds. It's also light and easy to store. Just empty it and hang it in your garage or shed. Choose this if you need a manual push roller that's easy to use, lightweight, and simple to store. At number 1, Arnot Lawn Roller, best budget-friendly push and tow option. If you need a budget-friendly roller that still gets the job done, the Arnot Lawn Roller is worth considering. It holds 16 gallons of water or sand, providing enough weight for small to medium yards. The best part? You can push it manually for smaller areas, or tow it behind a mower for bigger spaces. The steel frame with plastic coating prevents rust, while the U-shaped handle makes pushing easier. This roller is simple but effective, making it a great choice for homeowners who want a versatile tool without spending too much. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for maintaining your lawn, this is a solid pick. Choose this if you want a budget-friendly roller that can be pushed or towed for small to medium lawns.